problems with being in quarantine is learning how to work from home. Working from home is very different from working in an office because it lacks some of the office-type distractions. Babbling co-workers, noisy copy machines, and meetings that you can't unplug. To compensate for these things, try to surround yourself with things that bring you joy. A potted plant, a fine china tea set, some comfortable pajamas. These will help to bring a stillness to your home office environment. Routine is also vitally important. Invest in a clock and learn how to read it. This will stop you from spending more than 6.5 hours a day staring at a screen, which I'm told is very bad for your eyes. I myself like to limit my screen time per day to just 30 minutes. If you take lunch at 12:30 in the office, take it at 12:30 at home. A brown bag lunch is just as at home as it is in the office. Today, I am having a ham and cheese sandwich with Coleman's English mustard. Wash it down with some Twinings English breakfast tea. And remember, if all else fails, the internet died, and now you can have a cocktail.